Hi everyone, my name is Shalise and I'm from Rochester, New York. Here in the background I have a little information about myself. Back in May of 2016, I graduated from Niobrara University with my bachelor's degree. Since I've graduated, I've been teaching pre-K here in the Rochester area. I'm excited for this school year because I'll be at a new school, but I'll still be teaching pre-K. This year has been a life-changing one for me. Back in February, I gave birth to my daughter. I'm a first-time mommy. This here is Ziana. She's 7 months. So last semester, I took off because I was becoming a mommy. So this is my first semester back. So I've been spending a lot of time figuring out how I'm going to juggle school, work, and being a mother. But I'm sure I'll get through it. As far as technology, I'm not a very tech-savvy person. I do use social media a lot, but this summer I did take a PD at Monroe Community College on improving parent communication in your classroom. So I'll be trying to use the Seesaw Me app with my families this year. They talked about how you can post your newsletters, you can inbox your parents, and students can post their schoolwork on here. And it's just a technology platform for my classroom because last year I did use a lot of newsletters printed out on paper, and I found that they never came out the book bags or parents never read them. So I'm hoping that because I'll be using an app where they can just put it on their phone and they'll get a notification that they will respond and they'll know what's going on in the classroom. So I'm hoping that this works for me. And I'm wishing that everyone has a great semester this year. And I look forward to working with you all.